Welcome back. For this segment, we're talking eyebrows. For you fellas out there, the gentleman type, you're gonna need three things. Your clippers, and remember, use the clippers that you can adjust. Your toothbrush, so you can brush it away. Don't use a toothbrush that you use to brush your teeth. Separate toothbrush, dedicated for cleaning products. And you need your Andes Cool Care lubricant for your clipper blades. Let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is you take your brush here and you brush your eyebrows. That's always a good thing to make sure you get them going. As you see, I got some strands that be hanging out and everything. You want them to be smooth. We're not trying to arch eyebrows or anything like that. We just want a nice, clean gentleman look. Put the clippers down, and then all you do is take it. Make sure you have this out with your teeth all the way out, because if you have it low, you're going to shave your eyebrow off. Don't do that. I always hold it. As you see, I hold my thumb right there so it won't adjust on its own. And then I just take it to the top, close my eyes, because you don't want to get your eyelids and you don't want to get your eyelashes. And see, I can hear it getting that hair. As you see, it's nice and smooth. Then I hold it again so it don't go. And do the other side. Oh yeah. Give you that smooth look, you know. You don't gotta get your eyebrows threaded. Some people like that. I'm not one. I just like the nice smooth look. As you get older, they start to come straight out, and I don't like that too tough. So after that, you now have your nice smooth eyebrows. If you want to take it an extra step, which I do, you don't have to, but I do, I'll introduce to you the trimmer. This is the other one that you use. This is the clippers were made by Wall. These were made by Andes. Clippers, where you cut your hair. Edgers, when you do trimming, like lining up around the edges or shaving your face. This is what we use. So I say you can use this also to do your eyebrows. Now when you do your eyebrows, I'm not going to do it in the camera in case I mess up. I'm not going to turn it on, but this is what I do. I keep with the natural flow of things. What I do is I just get the outside and I just, put them up to get those extra strands. All I do is just the top. That's it. Get all the top, then I do the other side. Make sure it's nice and even, because sometimes that sticks up. So I just do the sides, boom, 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 boom. And once that's done, now you gotta be careful with these, because if you cut too close, you mess your eyebrows out. Then you gotta go to the barber and let them fix you, or wear shades for a few weeks until it grow back. So basically that's all you do. Once you complete that, you have the perfect manly gentleman eyebrows. It's not arched, it doesn't stand out where people look at you to say, man, did he arch his eyebrows? But it looks pleasant with your face. So thank you for watching, and make sure if you want to do these tips, you gotta have the products. So get yours today.